In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective method: how to select multiple rows in Google Sheets. This skill can drastically aid in efficient data management and manipulation within your spreadsheets. Let's dive right in so you can streamline your workflow with ease. First off, open your Google Sheets document where you want to select multiple rows. If you're new to Google Sheets, or you're just getting started with a new document, you can easily create a new sheet via Google Drive or open an existing one. Once you have your spreadsheet open and ready, take a moment to locate the rows you wish to select. This could be a contiguous block for ease of editing, or maybe specific rows scattered across your sheet for nuanced data tasks. To select multiple rows, begin by clicking the row number on the far left of your screen. This will highlight the entire row, an easy visual cue confirming your selection. To continue selecting additional rows, hold down the Shift key if you're on a computer. While the Shift key is held down, simply click on another row number to select a block of adjacent rows. This method is incredibly straightforward and time-saving when you need to work with consecutive rows. What if your rows are not next to each other? In this case, utilize the Control key on your PC or the Command key if you're on a Mac. By holding down this key, you can click on non-adjacent rows without losing your prior selections. This technique allows you the flexibility and specificity needed for complex data tasks without rearranging your spreadsheet. For those cases where you want to select the maximum number of rows quickly, Google Sheets offers a handy feature. Click and drag your mouse across the row numbers while holding the mouse button down. This selects each row you pass over, effectively saving time as you create your selection range. Paired with zooming out on your sheet, this can be particularly useful for scrolling through large datasets where precision is key. Now, with your desired rows selected, you're ready to perform various operations. Whether you're planning to copy, delete, or move these rows, your task will effortlessly be integrated into your spreadsheet practice. Additionally, if you ever make a wrong selection or need to start over, simply click outside your current selection to deselect, allowing you a fresh start without hassle. Remember, practice is key when mastering spreadsheet tools, and these selection techniques will soon become second nature, enhancing your productivity substantially. With these tips now firmly in your toolbox, you're well on your way to becoming a Google Sheets pro. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial, and I hope you found value in these simple strategies for working with Google Sheets. For further learning, feel free to explore more advanced techniques and continue expanding your skills. Happy spreadsheet editing!